Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on location where you're watching me from. Guys, you don't need to miss this video. I am here to expose Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Enough of all this nonsense. Yes, I am here to expose him. I don't care what has been going on social media. Some people are supporting Evangelist Ebuka, some are supporting Evangelist Ebuka Obi, but I'm here to put the record straight, because whatever thing I'm going to say here, I have my evidences. There are evidence to back it up. I have my evidence to back up everything. Nobody paid me. Before they'll come and say somebody paid me, nobody paid me. I did not collect money from anybody. I did not collect shishi. I crossed my chest. I crossed my heart for this. I did not collect any money. But guys, enough of all this nonsense. Enough of all this arrange. Enough of it. What is wrong with us? What is wrong? Like, what is going on? We need to put it to a stop. It's high time we stopped all these things. It's high time we stopped it. Yes. And guys, do me the favor of sharing this video. Please touch that share button. Begin to share it right now before I go on. Begin to share this video. Share, like, share it. Let it go viral. Let this video get to Reverend Father Ebuka and Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Before they will come and say, before someone will say that they have paid me. Nobody paid me. Oh, I'm just saying it right now. Nobody paid me. I have my evidence. I have everything I'm saying here is verified. I have my evidences. Everything is verified. Nobody paid me. I am here. Enough of all this nonsense. I want to put all this nonsense. I want to put everything to a stop. I want you guys to know the truth, the true person of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You guys need to know this man. You guys need to know every secret. I have it here. I am here to expose him. Yes, with evidence. Okay? And before I go on, guys, I would like you to share this video. And after sharing, I want you to watch this video. There's this video I'm about to show you right now. Watch this video. This is the number one, the first proof. My first proof, my first evidence. I want you to watch this video. After watching this video, then I will not come back. I will not come out with my proof. This is the first proof I'm bringing out right now. Watch this video. This is my evidence, my proof. Okay? Guys, watch and share this video. Enough of all this nonsense. Enough of all this nonsense. What is this? Watch this video. Then one will come back. Then I will not tell you what happened. I will not bring this one you're watching is the first evidence, the first proof about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. After this one, then I will not start bringing other ones out. I am here because God forbid that I will see all these things and keep quiet. I don't want God to curse me. I don't want to die a shameful death. I need to say the truth right now. Guys, watch and share.
One day we are debating with my priest friend. They were talking of one brother on our Lagos Ugu Zion Castle, Ebuka Zion, and they were saying, another fake, another fake, I look at the man. Holy Spirit spoke. I heard something that this man is the John the Baptist. That was what I had. Now I said to Father, this guy is not fake. He is spirit filled. He's not fake. He is spirit filled. And I can see that he's living a life of the desert. So don't castigate him. Even the church supposed to accommodate him. And what still? He's a Catholic. Even a Catholic. The essence of saying it is for you to know that God can even give you that same gift of prophecy and all that. Yeah. I said to my brother priest, this man is a sweet-filled guy. He's a young guy that has the Spirit of God. So castigate him not, please. Instead, encourage him.
Oh my God. What? Oh, you guys want to I want to expose Evangelist Ebuka, so look at all of them. All of you guys are happy. You want me to expose Evangelist Ebuka, so you have heard it. You all have heard it. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the Elijah, the John the Baptist of our time. Yes, with proof. You have watched my first proof. You heard what Reverend Father said. You heard what he said, that the Holy Spirit ministered to him, told him that this is the John the Baptist of our time. Now, what else? What do you guys want to hear from me? What do you want to hear from me? Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the Elijah, the John the Baptist of our time. Is the end time prophet. Yes, that is what he is. Yes, I'm here to expose him. I know that all of you have opened their ears. All of you, hey, somebody is here to expose him. Why would I expose a true man of God? What do I have to expose? What do I have against him? He is the Elijah of our time. He is the true prophet of our time. Tell me, have you ever seen any prophet that will prophesy and tell you something and it to happen? Prophecy with an instant with an instant solution. Prophecy with an instant solution. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Daddy, I hear you, sir. Reverend Father Ebuka also said that God, Holy Spirit said that you are the John the Baptist of our time. But sir, I said you are the Elijah of our time. Yes. Guys, I am not surprised of what has been going on social media. Some people have been coming out, some people have been saying a lot of things against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I am not surprised. After all, when Jesus Christ was on earth, the same thing happened to him. He was persecuted. Even people that saw what he has been doing, the miracle that he has been dishing out, what he has been doing, he made the lame to walk, the blind to see, the crippled to walk, the dead to resurrect. Lazarus, you all know the story of Lazarus. Upon all the things that Jesus did, he was crucified, and they still termed him a false prophet. The people of this world, the Pharisees and the Sadducees, they did not see any good thing about Jesus. They say he's a fake prophet. They killed Jesus Christ. So Evangelist Ebuka Obi is not an exception. Because as long as such thing, the same thing happened to Jesus Christ, who is Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Definitely, that is the cross. Definitely, that shows that he is the real man of God. If all this persecution, these allegations, if all these things are not happening, that means he's not true man of God. That is the first evidence to show that he's a true man of God. He's a true man of God. Yes. That is why everybody are against him. Everybody. Both the herbalists, both the native doctors, both the SNY, both the church members, both the reverend fathers, most of them, some of them, both the people in the church, those that call themselves Christians, they are against this particular man of God, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Why are they against him? Jealousy. So I am not surprised. Whatever it is that Reverend Father Mbaka is saying, he said he did not mention name, but he said, oh, Metarafanta or Tarafanta. Guys, tell me who is the originator of that or Tarafanta or Metarafanta? No. Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka said he did not call any name. He did not mention any name. But he said on Tarafanta or Kutarafanta Metarafanta. And in this world now, in this planet, on this planet Earth, in this Nigeria, who is the person that originated that formed that word? Zion Ministry. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. That is the only place you will hear God of Metarafanta, Kutarafanta, and Otarafanta. So what is the Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka is trying to say? What is he trying to say? Come out boldly. Since you have decided to come and talk against someone, come out boldly and call the person's name. Stop hiding behind something and saying you did not call anybody. Why you said Otarafanta? Is there any church or any ministry in this Nigeria that or in the world that you have heard people say God of Otarafanta or hear people say Otarafanta? If not Zion Ministry, that is the only place you can hear Otarafanta or Otarafanta or Metarafanta. Yes. And out of jealousy, Reverend Father Mbaka, you decided to betray your own son. Someone that took you as a father. Someone that took you as a brother, respects you a lot. Out of jealousy. Maybe you feel that he has taken all your members. You decided to come out. To come. Who made you the judge? He said you have been in the ministry, in your work, in this ministry or pastoral work or whatever it is. He said you have been in this work for how many years that you can know somebody that is using fake. But I was disappointed to hear when he said you can. He did not say the Holy Spirit told you. He said you can know. How can you can smell and know somebody that is using fake to deceive people? Somebody that is fake. At your level, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, the Holy Spirit cannot talk to you. Is he not your fellow Reverend Father that came out and said that Holy Spirit ministered to him? Holy Spirit told him that this is the John the Baptist of our time. That when they were saying that this man, are you sure he's not fake? He said, Holy Spirit. I was listening to you, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, to hear when you say that Holy Spirit told you. What you say that you can know somebody, you did not say that Holy Spirit told, because he used to come out and tell us that Holy Spirit tell you that this person will be the president of Nigeria. This person is the person that is going to deliver Nigeria. This person is going to be the governor. But this Holy Spirit did not tell you. It's you that using your instinct to dictate who made you the judge. To come out and say Evangelist Ebuka, and also even you that called yourself a Reverend Father. Even if you said you are the real man of God, if you are a real man of God, or maybe God really called you, this thing you came out to say on social media is not necessary. If he is fake, leave it to God. You have no business to come out and be talking down on someone else. This is clear jealousy, envy. Yes, that is what it should, clear jealousy and envy. You don't need to come out. What's the business? What you need to do is to do the right thing and leave God to judge. If you say you are real a man of God, a prophet of God or something, then why coming out to start making this allegation from nowhere? And he came out and said another one. I did not call anybody, but anybody that said is one. So be it. Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, sorry for you. If you Evangelist Ebuka, this one alone has this one life. This one will bring you down fine now. You have been doing a lot of things. You have been doing a lot of the people who overlook and say leave it. But this one that you tampered, Evangelist Ebuka, this one will bring you down. This one, thank God that this thing happens. People will know the real person you are. People will know who you are. This thing that happened, I know that is not by mistake. This thing, people will use it and know who you are. Who you are. Somebody that took you as his father. Even if you feel that he's faking something or he's arranging something, why not call him? Why coming out and say that he wants to say it? If he did not say it, if he did not say that God will be angry with you, who made you the judge over others? Who made you judge over others? Even for the Ebuka Obi, who made you judge over Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Who? Nobody. You are just a mere human being like him. The only thing you are older than him. You have been in this thing far before him. So you have no right to come out and say, if you did not say, God will be angry with you. You see only Evangelist Ebuka Obi. What of all these things that has been happening? How many politicians, what has been happening in this country, in Nigeria, a lot of evil things. How many times even for the Ebuka have you decided to come out? How many times has he come out and declare and say it and call names? Our evil politicians, what they are doing, a lot of things that is happening. How many times have you come out and condemn publicly and stand your ground? Is when it comes to people are using Christianity to, I don't know, people are using it to play. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, a man of grace, a prophet, the kind of prophet he is, I've never seen it. A different type of prophet. So Reverend Father Ebuka Obi, if what you're doing, if you're tired of what you're doing, your work, you go and rest. Why is it that every minute is you? During the election, you started running. You said that P2B will not be president. Like this is stingy. That one pass. This one again, Evangelist Ebuka. Can't you stay one? Why do you like running on? When you don't run with positive reasons, negative reasons. Why are you coming out to cause nuisance on social? Now you have said it. Now everybody is carrying it on social media. It's making around. You are happy, but you are a failure. Reverend Father Ebuka Obi, you are a failure. You have already failed. Check yourself. Oh, am I surprised? I'm not even surprised. Even Saul in the Bible, God picked Saul in the Bible to be the king of Israel. And the Spirit of God was upon Saul. But when Saul misbehaved, the Spirit of God left him. Who knows what is happening to you? Who knows? You can't just come out and be calling someone else not now. Do you have proof? If they ask you to bring proof, do you have proof? Is where Evangelist Ebuka Obi is where he is. That is where you have power. Go and talk to your president now. Talk to all these politicians and call them out. You cannot do that. If they give you money now, you close your mouth. Because I don't remember if you're a Reverend Father or a politician. It's Evangelist Ebuka Obi came insult. For what reason? Who gave you the F13? Who gave you the guts? Who gave you the guts? Who gave you to come and call Evangelist? You don't need to call his name. When you call him, you have called him. Who else? If you come up and say they will tell you is that ministry Evangelist Ebuka Obi. That is the only way you can hear God of Otrafanta, God of Ometrafanta. That is only, you don't even need to call him. You have already told us that he's the one. He is the one calling names. What is he arranged? Has he arranged your sister before? You Mbaka that is coming to accuse someone is the same Mbaka that people came out and accused you. I can remember when a woman came out and said, accused you of sleeping with her daughter, this, that. Everybody, they wave it. They say, no, Reverend Father Mbaka. They said a lot of things, negative things, but they have said a lot of things against you. And you are the same person that is coming out by yourself to say something against someone, a fellow man of God like you. You came out and you are now accusing him. But you have been accusing, people have accused you for many years back. Many years past. In the past, people have accused you of a lot of things. I cannot just start mentioning all of them. Some people will say it's a lie, it's this. People will just leave it. But no, Reverend Father Mbaka is a man of God. But you is the one now coming out by yourself to accuse a fellow man of God like you. a fellow man of, if you feel that God told you that if you didn't say it, that God will be angry with you, since God has made you judge over other people, over other men of God, since you are the second Jesus, I don't know what you are. I don't know if you are the God that made you the ruler, or the second Jesus, or the judge of everybody. If God has made you the ruler, why not call him? Since you feel that he is doing arrange, you came out and be calling your fellow man of God, and you even say that the Holy Spirit tell you. Holy Spirit cannot tell you such thing now. You used to tell yourself what you normally say. You come out and say this person will not be present because you are into politics. You go there, plan with them. You have, after doing the meeting, you come out and be telling us that God said that this person will be the president. God said that this person will be this. Who are you deceiving? Who is fooling who? Now is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You have not started though. Reverend Father Jikemba, you better go and take chill pill. Go and take chill pill and see them, because Evangelist Ebuka Obi is just starting. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is just starting. Zion ministry is a movement. I don't care if some people come out now and face me. I don't care who is going to come and talk rubbish. If you like talk anything, I don't care. I know that a lot of people come out and start and face me and start saying a lot of things. I don't care. If you like, call me anything. If you like, say anything. Me, I have said my own. If you like, some people come at the comment section and be talking rubbish. If you like, talk rubbish. It concerns you, but I'm telling you my own. What I know that is the truth. Yes. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the true man of God. Yes, that is why I'm here. That is the expose. I want to expose him. That is the evidence. I have a lot of evidence. So I have a lot. You say that you used to arrange. Okay, somebody arrange prophecy. Can that person still arrange solution? If like, are you trying to tell us that all the Zion ministers, all the Zionites, all of them are fools? Even those in the diaspora that used to, they will come back, do a lot of donation. People will come out, the people will take flight tickets, fly from outside, from UK, from America, from different places, Canada. They will just from there flew into Nigeria to just come and see, to just come and attend Zion ministry. They are fools. If they have not seen anything, if they are not seeing the real thing, they will not come. His own is his own. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, his own is they play, they show. They play, they show. The thing they happen instantly. I think they call you. The solution, everything. And what they answer here? Nothing. They know they talk nothing. No. So whoever that is coming to do laka, Evangelist, you have met the wrong person. You are using the wrong person's name to do this rubbish you want to do. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the John the Baptist, is the Elijah of our time. That's all. Guys, please share this video. Please, my fellow Zionites. Please, can you people come out and say, hey, this person earlier. A lot of people come and say a lot of, hey, this one doesn't know what she's doing. My dear, I'm with my senses. So yes, I know what I'm saying. You can say whatever you want to say. You have your own opinion. But my own, I'm saying it with my full chest. I cannot hide. I'm a proud Zionite. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the prophet of our time. Yes. Thank God that another Reverend Father has said it. That he said, Holy Spirit, Reverend Father, you are blessed. God will bless you, Reverend Father. Reverend Father, you are blessed. You are I've never seen your type in this life. I have never seen somebody that have ministry. And you can probably come out and declare in front of your followers that this person is not minding that when you say it, some people might even say, hey, so this is John the Baptist. Okay, let us go. I'm not mind that people might even leave your ministry and start following the person. But you came out to proclaim that look at what the Holy Spirit told you. You are the true man of God I've ever seen. Yes. After all, they are saying John the Baptist was beheaded. John the Baptist was a man of God that served God. But at the end, how did he end it? The same people beheaded him. The same people killed him. So Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I know that this is how it is, and this shows that you are the real man of God. That's why everybody is talking about you. That's why yes, that's why they cannot do without you. That's why bloggers, they cannot do without you. That's why you are being blackmailed, everything, because there is grace on top of you that people are seeing, that even the kingdom of darkness, they are seeing it, and it's too much on them. They don't know what they want to quench it. After all, when Jesus was born, is it not the same people, when they heard that Jesus was, they wanted to kill Jesus? They wanted to kill, when they said the king was, they want to kill Herod. Herod said they want to kill. What happened? God sent angel Gabriel to Joseph and tell Joseph to take Mary and Jesus, take them out. The same thing, that is how God is going to save you, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. So in this trial period, God, and of course, I know God will not leave you behind. Of course, I know, according to you, say whenever you're passing through this trial period, that is when God normally comes close. The Holy Spirit of God come close to you. That is when you feel him, feel the Spirit of God more. That is to show that God will not abandon his own. So guys, this is what I have to say. This is what I came here to expose, and my job is done. Guys, please share this video, let it go viral. Please try and share, let it go viral. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, turn on your bell notification. Zion will move. Bye guys, thank you.